Yo guys, what's up? Got a pretty good video here for you. Went to my new gun range. Well, it will be my new gun range. The 45 Reason, who was Dan, took me in as a guest. And LSKW1, he's another good guy. He goes there too. And me and him are going to join September 6th on a Monday night. It's a really good range. You guys are really going to see. It's something I always wanted to do. I finally found a range I can have some fun at. You don't have to shoot paper targets and all that bullshit. We were shooting jugs and steel, a VCR, you know, just fucking around. So, but I did want to give you a range report. But first, the most important thing right now is I need to prove that there's lots of love in my house. Here we go. Finally, she fucking brought me Fruit Loops home. And that ain't all of them. That's just 2 boxes. There's another one upstairs. So, thank you for that. Just don't want you to think that I don't have my Fruit Loops, because there they are. And they are good. Anyway, problem I have with cereal is they changed everything since when you were a kid. Remember how good Frankenberry was? Remember how good that shit was? Remember the marshmallows look like pencil erasers? You gotta be old to remember this shit. That's when Frankenberry was good. It's when it was like pink. Now it's like dark red. You know what I'm saying? It tastes like fucking, I don't know what it tastes like. Like crap. Like it's made in China. Like it's Chinese Frankenberry or something. Captain Crunch stayed the same. Fruit Loops stayed the same. Applejack stayed the same. Fat people know all this stuff, man. Stay away from Trix and Frankenberry. They change, they suck. Anyway. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, you're probably saying, what the fuck's he talking about? It's supposed to be a gun review. Well, this is why the channel is different. We talk about everything. Try to keep it pretty funny. Pretty funny. There you have on your lower left hand side a Glock 27, and of course the rifle is a SGL 20 Arsenal AK-47, and then on your bottom right there is an HK USP 40. So we shot all 3 of these yesterday, and I can't give you an accuracy report because we really were like cowboying it, you know, like we weren't putting targets up and going for like the bullseye, you know what I mean, and really trying to put a tight group in. We were just shooting shit. And in a defense to me, I'm pretty decent on a target, on a paper target straight in front of me. But that's all I'm used to. That's all I ever did. So shooting things and objects was a big change for me. I had a hard time doing it. I'd say I was like 50-50, but give me a couple months and then we'll start getting good at that. Wow, it's really different. I thought, hey, if I can shoot a bullseye on the paper target, I can shoot a fucking bottle. I can shoot it. No, it's different because you're shooting down, you're shooting up, you're shooting on an angle. You know, it's really different. I didn't think it would be, but it was. So it's a hard lesson. The Arsenal, we put about 60 rounds through it, and maybe just a little more than 60, and it functioned flawlessly. It was really accurate for an AK. Like I said, I never shot steel or objects with it, and you know, it was hitting the steel out. I don't know, it might have been 70 yards. That's my guess. But and that's with iron sights, so it did really well. It did really well, and I'm not even good at shooting an AK yet. So when I get to know it better and get good at it, I'm sure it's going to be a real accurate rifle. The Glock 27, probably put about 60 rounds through that, and flawless. No jams, no feeding problems, very accurate. It was hitting targets. It was doing real good, the Glock. The HK USP 40, I was a touch more accurate with it, but in defense to the Glock is a mini Glock. It's, you know, so the HK is that's a compact, but it's still a full-size handgun. It's got a full-size frame. So the HK is, you know, it's more comfortable to hold. But in the defense to the Glock, that's a carry Glock, so it ain't supposed to be 100% comfortable. But it did great. It did fantastic. I'm real happy with it. The HK did fantastic. I knew it would. No jams, no feeding problems, nothing. So all three guns get an A+. They're all excellent. They all did a good job. I'm real happy about it because I was nervous. The only other gun in my safe I haven't shot yet is my Springfield mil spec. So maybe when we go up again we'll shoot that. And maybe by then I'll be a member. A little update on the holster I got for the Glock. Remember I was telling you I loved the way it looked and felt, and the way it looked and fitted the gun, but it felt weird on my hip. Well, I found the right spot on my hip. Every holster is different. Usually when I carry a holster I put it like just before my ass, like not 3 o'clock, like 4 o'clock on an angle. Well, this particular holster, it's better to put it, for me, right at 3 o'clock on my hip bone, right on my hip bone, and it stays nice and it's comfortable to carry the Glock. I'm glad I resolved that because I didn't want to get rid of it. A couple guys I need to mention real quick. I want to give a shout out to this man. I can't pronounce it, man. He's a good guy. Here he is. He sent me a holster in the mail. Wow, that was really fucking nice of him, man. You know, his holsters ain't cheap. He sent me a leather 1911 holster. Galco. Awesome. Where is it? It's upstairs. I forgot because I'm an idiot. So, he's up and coming. He's going to start putting videos out, so I figure I mention him. That's his channel name. Okay? And, that's all I'm going to say. Now we're going to go to the range, and I'll show you what's up. This video might be long because it's a lot of range clips, but it's a lot of fun. Alright, dudes. Talk to you later. Fooled you. Not yet. Forgot to tell you something. I was looking into the hats. I'm going to have to shop around for a while because they're really friggin' expensive. If I get the hats made, I'll have to charge like $25 a piece. Who the hell's going to pay $25 for a fucking hat? I didn't want to charge no more than $20. It's because they're embroidered, you know what I mean? Stitched, and it's real expensive. So then the lady told me, well, we can silk screen them. I'm like, yeah, how good's that gonna look? I mean, how many baseball hats have silk screen emblems on them? Artwork. Everything's embroidered today. So I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So I don't know. I might do something stupid, and it'll be cheaper for everybody. Maybe I'll just do, because I wear them all the time. I don't know if you guys do. I wear bandanas. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll get some bandanas made, and they'll be real cheap, and it'll look cool with the Army Channel logo all over the bandana, black and orange. I can get the bandana or the kind with the 2 strings that tie around the top. I used to wear them when I was a welder all the time. I can't remember what they're called. Anyway, they're like bandanas, but they have the 2 strings you tie tight. I like them better. They fit your head better. Maybe we'll go with them. I don't know. Let me know what you think of that idea, because the hats are going to be real expensive, and I don't expect you guys to pay $25 for a fucking hat. I think that's crazy. You know. Alright, let me know what you think of that idea. And I want one more guy I need to thank is Oil the Gun. Oil the Gun's the man. Go to his channel, and he makes really great gun videos. They're edited, but they're fantastic, man. Alright, I'll talk to you soon.
White trash, rock and roll.
Hey, that's perfect. Very nice. Alright, don't video me yet. Okay, Arsenal, let's see what you can do. Not too much of a kick.
Did you get it?
I'm not hitting it though.
It's because you got an AK.
That ain't why. I'm going for the diamond. What am I doing wrong, dude?
You might just gotta zero it. It might not be zero.
You got a bad
Wind
angle
adjustments
on
or
it.
something.
It's twisted.
shoot some paper and get a group, and then make some adjustments.
Yeah, it looks like I gotta move this up a little.
I think you just gotta make wind adjustments. You gotta BZO it.
Set it on the rest here. Or stack them up. No, stack them up. You'll be uncomfortable. I gotta stack them all the way up because I got a long torso.
Oh, let's see what that is. That's good.
You good?
Yeah. Yeah, this might be better. Ain't much kick.
There you go. It's hitting it now.
Am I hitting it?
Yeah.
So it was me.
Are you doing Kentucky windage or are you right on it?
Right on.
There it is.
Hitting it now. Try to zoom up on the target.
One more bag.
As far as it's gonna let me. Hit.
That's it.
He's Dan with his Beretta.
It's tiny, man. Terrible fucking shot.
You'll get it. You'll get it. We were just warming up. We didn't even start shooting yet. You all right there, homeboy? Yo, where do you feel the recoil on that, P? You're gonna like it. Feels good, don't it?
Go for that top. That top thing.
Hold on, let me zoom up.
The little spinner?
Yeah.
No, don't hit it with the AK.
Oh no.
Yeah. I think it'll fuck it up.
Yeah.
Go for the water.
I hit it?
Nope.
You know it when you hit it.
Not yet.
Where's it hitting at?
You were just behind it, so you might be just missing it.
That's why I hate these things.
First time shooting an AK. That's why you gotta get used to it.
We'll go to the right there.
Where's it hitting at?
You're a little to the right.
Little to the right.
Yeah.
Still right?
It's hard to see that one.
Yeah, it's like...
Your splash is right behind it. That one was low, look.
Why don't you try to bench rest it to see where you need to put the sight? Then you'll know. trigger pull, man. That's that Bulgarian trigger that's in there. From Z-Boy told me that. Bulgarian mil-spec trigger in there. Blow that thing up.
I got my sights right on it.
We'll just go,
Take it a little bit high,
yeah.
and pull one, and then take it low and pull one.
Yeah, just keep experimenting, then you'll know
Stay
where to
centered,
put it.
high and low.
Yeah!
There it is.
Yeah, I'm shooting high. You gotta aim. I'm shooting low. You gotta aim high.
Yeah.
You aim high, you'll hit it.
All right.
All right.
My balls are rotating after that one. That's a good one.
Let's go for that.
Once the water comes out, I guess it kind of sucks, don't it?
Yeah, you're never gonna know you hit it again. It'll just keep blowing through it.
Yeah, you won't know.
I'm going for that thing next to him.
The steel there hanging?
Pete Jr. with the XDM.
Nice, first hit.
XDM's a bad mo. XD period's a bad mo.
Let me get you doing.
Mo is short for motherfucker.
Yeah.
Bill, look what you're missing.
Get me on the, get me on this, just about to shoot it.
Nice.
About to shoot it, and then get me on the VCO.
Alright, give me a, just let me know, like, when you're gonna, or I'll get you, and then Dan, when I pan out, I'll say go ahead, and we'll do it that way.
Yeah, just get a picture of me, you know.
Nice. The only thing we're missing is maybe 45 bullets.
Bill?
Bill. Bill's the man.
We got the 45 reason. That's really all we need.
Yeah,
right?
we do have the 45 reason.
We got 845 here.
I know. All right.
About to take
Good.
this VCR out.
All right. I'm going to use the right.
Damn.
Where's the kill shot at? What's gonna knock it down?
I think down low.
I was thinking top left.
Hit low so you can knock it over with the dirt.
You say you got to aim lower, huh?
There
Gotta
you
aim
go. There you go, Dan. That was cool, dude. What were you shooting through? The sights or through the scope?
The scope? I think I hit it. I'll know in a minute when I see where some of my...
So you said aim high. How high? Pretty high.
Just on the top of the target.
I'm feeling something wrong, dude. See what
Hey, you know what, Pete? Hold on. Old fire. I'm gonna set that VC.
And $1,000.
You got 45 reason on PSL here. Alarm channel on my Garand. See if you can hit that.
I think I hit it.
I think you did too.
It's hitting it, but it's not moving it, but it's going through it.
Blowing through it, yeah.
Let's try for the,
Hit that triangle steel there.
yeah.
There you go.
It's accurate.
The recoil's surprisingly not too bad.
Yeah, because it's heavy.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna knock the shit out of me.
Hey, you guys know you're supposed to close that gate behind you, right? The gate?
Oh,
You have
is
to
it
keep that
open?
closed so people who don't belong to the club.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was my fault.
Alright,
Yeah.
you also left the combination on the lock,
Yeah.
so just in the future,
Yeah.
try to close it up.
Thanks for your help, bud.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. I wasn't counting, so I don't know what we got left.
You'll
It's the
know
last
it
one,
when
I
you're-
think.
What the hell is this?
Oh yeah, the thing. What's that?
Is this yours?
I think that's to my kit. Nice man, this thing's not. I'm getting one of these.
Oh,
Are you gonna pan out?
nah.
This is nice. Is this Romanian?
Yes. Century Arms.
Century Arms is alright. Where my U goes from.
You
Wow,
got
this
an
feels
Italian
weird.
caressing a Romanian.
Guess I go for the frying pan.
Just shoot at the, blow up the VCR.
Oh, okay.
I gotta still fix that sight.
The VCR?
Yeah. You wanna aim where the little chevron top is, and the arrow. And the...
No, that's a, okay, I see. Oh, okay, I got it. I got it. Am I hitting it?
Yeah, you only had 2 in there. What do you think of that? You only had 2
Is that it?
rounds. Yeah. A little bit of a kick, huh?
It's got a smooth action, man.
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Why can't I hit that?
Yeah, I love the action on it.
You're blasting that frying pan, dude.
HK USP, see what it's got. Go for the green jug first. Stay behind me.
You hit it.
Good.
Can't even tell if I'm hitting it or not.
Yeah, you're hitting it.
I'm gonna hit that frying pan.
Yeah, let's try that. Try to find it. I'm out.
Show you how to hit a frying.
Got two this time. It's getting better. Nice, Frankie. Yeah.
Yeah, Bubba. Yeah.
We ought to check that steel because there was a couple hits on it and it didn't bounce. So I wonder if it left a good
That
impression
thing
on
looks
there.
like fucking Swiss cheese.
Swiss fucking cheese.
Oh, we got Dan with his AR
How many you got in there, dude?
and Frank with his Yugoslavian M70 AB2. Oh, these are fucking sweet rifles, man. I think.
When do you want to call it?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm hard. You getting chubby?
Thought I had a.
That's me on that trigger. I see
like
I did it again.
I like it.
Too fast, man. Look at that bow stall burning.
Yeah.
Bow stall burning.
Is it
off,
hot?
baby?
Is it hot? Nah, that's not. That's
It'll
not
get hot.
Sweet.
Yeah, I did, but
1911, World War I. Right there with Dan. USP 40. HK right there, Frank shooting. He's aiming for the steel out there. The HK USP is doing really well. And, no problem. It's awesome. How'd that feel?
that's pretty cool.
Feels good, don't it? Got a nice recoil on it.
It is nice. It's manageable.
Yep. Man, that gun is mean.
Mean the bling.
Yeah, it is. I love it.
Loaded?
Glock 27. Never fired it yet. See what it does.
How is it?
Huh?
Good. That's where I want you to stand when you take my picture. Like here.
Oh no, I got some 45 left.
Damn, that sucks.
I'll have to move up because it's far out there. That shot will spread out too far.
Can you get me next?
Yeah.
About rapid fire?
Yeah. Am I on?
Yeah. You want it like this? You want me to?
You can just do me. That's fine. Rapid fire, bitches. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got a real low recoil. You feel that? Almost like a 9mm.